Hey guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we will going to learn how we can add scroll view to the storyboard, and I will be doing this by using Swift 4. And let's get started with the new project. And I will be creating a new project using Xcode version 9.2. So click on create a new Xcode project. Select single view app, then write name to your demo app. So I will be writing ScrollView demo. Create your project anywhere in the document directory, and then here it is. This is my demo project, and go to Storyboard, and this is my interface builder. And now add scroll view and put it at the top of the edge. Now add constraints to the scroll view. 0 from the top, 0 from the left, 0 from the right, and 0 from the bottom. Okay, scroll view is added now. Now add one view. Here it is, and place it in the center or anywhere else. And what we'll do, we will add some constraints to this view also. 0 from the top, 0 from the left, and 0 from the right, and 0 from the bottom. Now we will be adding height to the view, and I will make height up to 1200, and the constraints are added to the view, but but there is one constraint issue. And this constraint, let's see what the issue is. You can see that it's says that width is missing. So we will move to this view and press Ctrl here and drag to the main container, and we'll add equal widths. Yeah, now you can see that there is no constraint issue here. And one more thing, that if you click on view, the view size is greater than the storyboard size. So we will increase the storyboard size so that we can add our UI component to the view easily. Go to the size inspector and select freeform from here, and make the storyboard size similar to the view, that is 1200. And we will also change the color for the view so that we will be able to notice what is happening. Now add button here at the top, add button, and name it as top, or you can say that hello. And now we will going to add constraints to the button. So we will say we will add 20 from the top, 100 from the left, 100 from the right, and we'll add height 50, and then add it. So here it is. And one more thing, we don't need to add the bottom constraint here, so we will going to delete that. Okay, now we're going to add one another button, and I will going to place it here, and add, and we're going to add constraints to this also. 20 from the bottom, 100 from the right, and 100 from the left. And we're going to add a height, and we'll add as 50 and add constraints. Okay, and one more thing, we need to change its color so that it will be visible. I will make the color yellow, and will also increase the size, and we'll add, and we'll change the style to bold, and will done. And here I will write hello world. Okay, now we'll going to execute our code. So app is installed in the simulator, and it will going to open in few seconds. Here it is. The we as we can see that we placed hello button at the top of the screen, and we set the height of the view. We set the height of the view 1200, which is greater than the size of the screen. So for that we need a scroll view, and now we will going to see the bottom button by scrolling the view. So this is how a scroll view works. Now we can see the world button here. So in this way you can create your UI larger than your screen by using the scroll view, and you can scroll it. So thanks for watching this video.